Hi guys, welcome to my first ever blog on my channel. By the way, this is Kami. So what we are going to do today is we are gonna do what's in my bag video. So I'm gonna show you what's inside this Herschel mini bag that I have. So yeah, let's go ahead and start with this one. So by the way, I'm currently using a Herschel Nova mini bag. I believe this is a rose gold color, but not sure though. But it has this dark pink color. Yeah, I actually bought this one at the Herschel store in SM Aura, Philippines. I bought this on Valentine's Day. It's actually on 30% off that time. All pink bags, has, discounts. So yeah, I bought this for 1,500 pesos. So yeah, let me go ahead. I'm sorry for the background. I'm actually at my workstation right now. So yeah, let me go ahead and open it up. By the way, the zipper is really nice. Okay, so the first thing is my glasses. So this is glasses from Audio Optical. My grade is not that high, but I really need, to wear glasses, for me to not make my eyesight worse. Sorry about that. Pilipina po ako, medyo hirap po mag-English. So, yeah. Let me just open it up. By the way, the case is made out of fabric. So, tela po siya. Hindi po siya hard case like dun sa ibang mga optical shop. So, yun. Let me open it up. Yeah, this how my glasses looks like. So yeah, it's color black, and I have a microfiber cloth inside. If there's fingerprint on the glasses, I just wipe it out. So let's set this aside. By the way, this is my other bag, a wee bear bag. It's grizzly bear. I got this in Miniso. It's a much bigger bag. All right, so let's proceed. So this is like my note, like a mini note, in case I needed to take down something. Yeah, not really that important. And next one is, yeah, I have here my coin purse. Yeah, this is again another We Bear product. So this is Ice Bear that I have here. So yeah, I'm really a fan of Bear product. It's so cute. By the way, this is made out of cotton, so it feels really nice. Yeah, so this is where I keep like my coins or my smaller bills so that it'll be easier for me to get it. Okay. Next one is, yeah, this is my main wallet. Yeah, so this is from Bench, as you can see. Yeah, it's made out of leather and the quality is really good. And everything is in here, my cards. Yeah, other cards. Yeah, and then yeah, my picture. Don't mind my picture. Okay, and next one is my wireless earbuds. So this is the OnePlus Bud C. I bought this in Digital Locker for 2,590 pesos. So I have a case on it so that it won't get any scratches. So it's a color white. Yeah, and the sound quality of this earbuds is very nice. The bass is superb. So yeah. And next one is, oh, now this section is empty. So let's go ahead and proceed with the small pocket. By the way, this is a pen, but not an ordinary pen. So I got this as a freebie when I bought my phone. So it actually has a stylus on the other side or at the top. So I'm not really using this that much. I'm using this when I'm taking down notes on my phone, or if I wanted to sketch something. So yeah. Okay, next one is my castor oil eyelash and brow. So I'm using this one on my eyebrows and on my eyelashes, for it to be longer, or for it to be makapal. So I bought this in Watson's. So yeah, you could check this out. I bought this for, I believe, 100 plus pesos. I forgot the exact amount. And next one we have here, yeah, my perfume. So this is from Bench as well. It's called Bear Me Nut. The smell of this perfume is really nice. It's very feminine, but I don't really use this that much because I'm just staying at home, because I'm working at home. So yeah, I'm not really using this that often. So let me, okay, another pen that we have here. So this is again a We Bears product. Bought this in Minizo as well. I believe this is for 50 pesos. I'm not sure though. So it has this typical, pen. And then this is actually a magic pen. Let me show you how it works. So yeah, that's how it looks like. So it's totally invisible if you don't have, the blue light. But if you turn it on, yeah, you'll see it. Oh, by the way, my picture and my boyfriend. Okay, so let's proceed. Yeah, alcohol, because this is essential. Also, lugao is essential. Okay, so okay. Another one is, yeah, I do have here my Johnson's baby oil. I'm using this for my tattoo because I recently got a new tattoo. So this is the one I'm using. For it to be not para hindi ma-infection, yung Tagalogin ko na. So yun, eto siya. This is an Ariel and Flounder tattoo because Ariel is my favorite Disney princess. So yeah. Okay. Next two is, of course, Vicks, because we are at Tita of Manila right now. Tita of Manila na tayo. Kailangan na natin ng ganito. So Vicks to for my headache and for stomach cramps. Pag masakit ang tiyan. Ayan. And then lastly is my lipstick. So this is Urban Decay. I really love this lipstick because the color suits my skin tone. Let me show you the shade. Give me one moment. Okay. Let me open it up for you. Oh, yun. Pasensya na. Ayun. Ito siya. Very nice. Okay, so empty na to. So let's proceed with the small pocket. Oops, sorry. Okay, this is a small pouch. So this is where I basically put all the cables I have. So let me show you. This is how it looks like. Yeah, this is my OnePlus Buds C cable, and I do have another cable in here. That is the cable for my Mi Band 5. So I'm currently using it right now because I'm charging the band. So, and lastly, this is actually interesting, but this is my ID I'm not from at work, so I won't show you my picture. So you I work at Chalice, so yeah, that's actually basically it. So yeah, thank you for watching my video, and I do hope that you'll subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll upload a more video like this, and I'll be more than happy, to share, all my stuff or all my, knowledge here. And yeah, I do hope that you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and yeah, so I would appreciate if you could subscribe. Again, thank you for watching, and bye for now.